Last season we have a good season, but unfortunately we not finished well. But this year we are focused on our combination and all the things. And yes, we are looking forward to the 10th season.
Tell me how important the likes of Moeen Akram are, because he's been part of the furniture for a while now in the Zalmi. How important is that man, just two from your left?
Yes, very important, because he's with the Zalmi is like last 10 years almost. So yes, he knows everything. He working hard to choose the players and combinations. So yes, and we have a legendary Inzibai with us, and we are learn a lot to Inzibai.
Daren Sammy won't be here next year or this year coming. How much of a loss is Daren Sammy? His exuberance, his appetite for not just 2020 cricket but also Pakistan. He'll be a big miss, Daren Sammy.
We are love a lot. We are love this Sammy company, and he loves Pakistan. When he is coming in Pakistan, he's love a lot, and he's with this Daren Sammy with sharing his dressing room. He's one of the best player, captain. So I've learned a lot. I spoke with the different things, so he helped me a lot. So yeah, we miss him this year, and later on, inshallah, he's join us.
Okay, thanks for speaking to us. Hopefully speak to you again. So,
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।